Hello, welcome at the advanced class of LBallet. It is in the meantime our lesson number 19 and the dancers of today are Isis, Merel and Esra. We're starting with 2 hands at the bar and the left foot is our first foot from today. We have 3/4 foot. Really, the center of the foot is between the big toe and the second toe. Toe 1 and point to the side and hold. Sur le coup de pied, wrapped around to the front, half a circle away from your supporting leg, closing on both legs, going on one leg, 3/4, and the point to the side, and stretching, and the coup de pied, front, rond de jambe, bam, bam, close. The same to the back. Then we go. So the same thing backwards, going up and up. You have really 2 counts to move and 2 to move down. And I do not want to shift your heels forwards. It's really they are coming down where you are able to hold them. Twice, arm, cambre to the back, coming back, cambre to the back, coming back, turn around to the left ear. The more you hang forwards, the more effect on your stretching. So really try to go forward. You have the bar, he's fixed in the wall. Coming up, turning out, the same, taking the legs up with first port de bras and finish. Okay. So, be on 2 legs, and 2, and 3, 3/4 foot, and point to the side, on the tips of the toe. Sur le coup de pied, wrapped around to the front, open half circle, close, and 1, and point. And wrapped around from the lower leg to the front, open away from the supporting hip, 1. As high you are too near to the bar. Coup de pied derrière, going to the back. Rond de jambe, elbows down, close, and 1. Lift yourself over the bar, and coup de pied to the back, on the jambe, close, and go up, up, go down, down, and 2 counts, up, and 2, yes, nice, good, left, 1, go, go, coming back, don't shift your hips forward, lift from your pelvis away and turn 2. The more your weight is forward, the more you stretch. And keeping the heels on the floor, go up, turn out, and 1. 5, 6, coming up. Arms are picking up. Yes, nice. And up. The weight is between the big and the second toe. Allongé, that's better. Hold it, Merel. Yeah. Please, and finish. Yeah, and I cannot tell it often enough, the arms are taking your body up, not going up and going with your arms. It's really, the arms are always the first thing to do. The pliés, and we start in first position. Now look, the arm is starting with an allongé, and that's the reason why you go on the relevé. 1 and 2 and 3 stretched down, grand plie, and 2 is a usual port de bras, 3, going 4, and 1, and 2, and the arm comes from first to third, cambre, opening the breastbone, opening, plie, and grand plie with the usual arm, grand plie with the reversed over the third, and the should be down before you go again, up, 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 rolling down, grand plie. When you come up, both arms and open. So you are effacé devant, 1, 2, 3, tendu, cambre to the back, opening, get the arm, grand plie, 2 arms, out. The foot is sliding across the floor, coming up, 2 arms, and going. And turn, fouetté, to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, give me a really stable first position, please. Arm is starting, and 4 is down, go, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, from first to third, and relevé in the feet, going, opening the elbow, open the arm, and demi-plie, go, 1, 2. Be aware of your pelvis. In every plie, your pelvis is completely still. And now push, up, nice, and up, arm starts. The right buttock in your chute, oh, and down, grand plie. On 3, you have both arms open on 2 feet. Stay with the pelvis between the feet. 4, and turn you to the back, opening, allongé, grand plie. This is a usual arm. Now you go over the third. On 3, both arms. Turn you to the front, head to the right. Go across the floor with your left. Yes. And come up. 2 arms closing and croisé. 2 and 3. And fouetté and first again. 1, 2. And hold your stomach. Yes. Lift your back over the stomach. Nice. And 3, 4. Don't shift your heels forward when they come back. And 3. Arm up. And opening. That's a nice one, Merel. Plie, tendu. 1 and 2. And 3. I don't know why you turn in. Yes, your thigh. And turn you down. Up. Up. Be careful for your foot, Ezra. And go. And 2. 2 arms. Head to the left. And 1. Keep your buttock in your chute and turn you. Go backwards, away from your heel. Yes, nice, Isis. Open. Get your right arm and grand plie. On the same moment on the floor. And again, both arms, turn your front and across the floor. Nice. 2. Both arms, closing and go. 2 and up, fouette and close. Yes.